How to create a drop down menu on Wix. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create a drop down on Wix. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your wix.com. You can see right here, sign into your Wix, and you will have to select the website that you want to work on. I have opened up one of the test websites that I'm creating, and I'll show you how to create a drop down on your Wix website. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will actually go to the pages right here, menu and pages, because this is where we customize our pages. To create a drop down for any of the element, any of the page on our header, all you need to do is, you can see we have different pages here, right? So this is our home, and I want to create a drop down for the home. What you will do is you will just drag and drop the pages you want to add right underneath the home section. So you can see it will just create like a sub page. Similarly, I'm just going to drag and drop right here. So this way you can see we have these sub pages created for the home. Now this is actually a drop down menu for this. If I now go back, you will be able to see that we only have home here now. And if I click on home, once the website is published, click on home and we'll have a drop down of all of the pages that we added to our this page right here. So this is the simplest way to create a drop down on our Wix website. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.